Good evening, folks. It's time for Mark Smelser's bike maintenance tip of the week. I'm out here riding the Prairie Spirit Rail Trail, cruise along, enjoying a nice sunset. All of a sudden I hear a crazy skidding coming from behind my bike. And I look at my trailer, and there doesn't appear to be a rear wheel. I couldn't have gone without a rear wheel for very long without noticing. And then I hear a funny noise off in the grass. It is my rear wheel skiddling on ahead of me. So, lessons from today. Make sure your quick release skewers are tight, and